Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is the weekend, so you know what that means. We are charting. Each individual Trillion Dollar Ticker gets its own episode. I keep these under 7 minutes so you can get back to doing whatever you were doing. Right now, we got Meta, so let's get into it, y'all. Y'all know what Meta is. Big dog when it comes to social media. All right, this is the weekly chart. Let's go ahead and put the all-time high up here. These beats are made by me using Suno, by the way. If you enjoy this music, let me know. Put that in the chat. All right, so this week, Meta was up 9.3%. The week before that, 9.6%. The week before that, 9.2%. Can you believe it? Wow, just an incredible run. Incredible run, y'all. So let's go ahead and put these weekly levels on here. Where did price have a big reaction? That's what we want to know. Because it's very likely that it will react at that same place. It goes there again. All right, does that make sense? If this is too easy for you, you can just go to the candlesticks and chart over there. If you feel like you don't need these line charts, you can do it on the candlesticks. And let me know if we get the same levels. That's a great trial, y'all. Go ahead and try it out. I'm going to go ahead and stick with these line charts. Because if you watch my daily show, my numbers be hitting all the time. Every single day. A lot of times to the penny. We got Meta right here, y'all. Meta is looking very strong. All right, next let's go on a daily chart. So we gotta be more precise. So let's go to the daily chart and find some levels. There we go. Nice dip right there. Big reaction. Oh, right. There we go. Another reaction. 60. There we go. Got our downside levels done. Now let's try to find some upside levels. Wow, look how far we gotta go back to find more levels, y'all. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, that's how long Meta has been down. Gotta go all the way back here. But that thing been taking off like a rocket ship for the past 3 weeks, though. That's for sure, All right, there we go. It's a lot more work chart Meta than it was TSM, huh, y'all? That's because TSM was closer to all-time high. And this thing been falling ridiculously, but it's been running recently. So that's why it's taking so long to chart this, y'all. But we done. We got the levels now. Now let's go to the candlesticks. Alright, this is what we got for next week, y'all. Meta, current price, 488.55. To the downside support, this first level is very close. It's 488 even. But underneath that, we got, it's 688 even. Underneath that, we got 682.40, 677.20, 673.40, which is a weekly level, 667.70, 660.60. And then to the upside resistance, we got the high of day on Friday, which is 691.51, followed by 695.20. I think 700 will be a psychological level. And then we got 701.40 and 705.30. All right, let's check out the smart money concepts. See, we did have a change of character here when we broke over this level, 672. So now we got upside character. All right, let's check out the algo, see if we get some more levels. Okay, so the algo did have a second entry here at 676. It hit TP1, so TP2 is going to be 695.11, followed by 704.23. All right, that's what we got for Meta. Next up, AVGO. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.